guys, Charlani here. Officially welcome to Vlog Week. It's actually a Tuesday for you, but it is a Monday for me. My goal is every day this week, Monday through Friday, to get a vlog out for you. We'll just spend the week together. So we'll just kind of see. So this is a little bit of a preview of what Vlogmas would be. And it's kind of my way of testing myself, number one, to see if it's something that I can handle. And number two, if it's something that I want to do. Because vlogging every day, editing every day, getting a video out every day is not always easy. So I am going to one video a day this week. Obviously, like I said, it's Tuesday for you, it's Monday for me. So this video I will be editing tomorrow morning to get out tomorrow afternoon, which is today for you. Okay, so we have just little knick-knacky things, all the things that I decide to do today, I'll bring you along with me. All right, you guys, here's the deal. We have a brand new grocery store right there. I was going to attempt for us to go in, but I'm thinking, no. There are so many people here. There is no parking at all. And this is a huge, huge parking lot. It's not worth it. Not today. This will be maybe its own video another day. But yeah, I really want to go inside and see what it looks like, but there's a wait to get in. Like, look at, there's just cars everywhere. There's another parking lot way back there. There's cars back there too. Like, this is nuts. The line is there and it goes back around to get into that door. So many pretty like flowers and all the fall mums. And then we are coming up over here on all the pumpkins and so many different kinds. Look at that. So cool. Here's the other line of all the people right there. And I'm just thinking I can use my time better today. no, we'll come back. We'll come back, I promise. Okay, we are at my good old faithful Target. I need to get some butter and just a few little knick-knacky things, so we're gonna do that. We're here at Target because no lines. We need to get a new food saver because the one that I had totally broke. And I saw one online on Amazon actually that looked very similar to that one, but it was way less than that. So I'm wondering if maybe I should try a different brand other than Food Saver, because it'll be a lot less expensive. And I think you can still use, because I have a whole bunch of these bags, but I think you can use that with any brand as long as it seals. So I think I'm gonna hold off just because, I mean, these are pretty pricey, right? And this one is just really small. So, okay, let's hold off on this for a minute and we'll do some research online when we get home and maybe order one from Amazon because I actually don't need it for a couple days. And I will say though, I've never seen this pack. 3 big rolls, 16 feet times 3. Plus 2 vacuum seal rolls at 20 feet. That is a ton. For 50 bucks, that's actually really good. Seeing as how, like, look at 2 was 23. So anyways, that's a really good deal. I'm glad to know that that's here because that would be a good investment. I personally like making my own size bags. It seems less wasteful and it's less expensive because it's one big roll rather than a whole bunch of individual packs, and then you can customize it. So I just think that that's better. Okay, let's head home. Can't wait till this season is back where we need a heated blanket. at IKEA, I saw it was a duvet cover. Obviously, this is just a comforter, but I loved the print, but they didn't have it in a king size. And at least this comes in a king size. But I am not a fan of plaid and stripes, so this wouldn't work. But it would be a good option if I like really just want a comforter with that floral print. I think it's so pretty. I kind of love this. This is very October vibes. I wish they had this pattern, but in that side cup. So if anyone ever sees that, let me know. Quick change in plans. So I went to Starbucks. I got myself an iced mocha topped with sweet cream cold foam. My favorite thing ever. We're gonna head to Dallas. We're gonna go to Kaylee's apartment because she redid her countertops and they look amazing. So I wanna go see them in person, so I'll take you along with me. Okay guys, we are in Kaylee's apartment. See this countertop right here? She did that. Contact paper! She did that. It's so good. So, I'm gonna put in a clip.
Yeah, insert before, pick now.
Before. And this is what it looks like now. Oh my goodness. It is amazing. Proud. Like, look at look. It's perfection. Oh my gosh. So good. So good. This just reminded me that I have to do the bathroom sink. I'm so proud of her because that was a lot of work and oh, it looks so, so good. But it reminded me that we have that bathroom, our bathroom upstairs that I just redid, that countertop is stained with hair dye. I need to do that. So you know what? I think that's gonna go on the list of to-dos this week because I completely forgot about it. I am home. I have unloaded. This is my haul from Target. It is a little mini haul, but we've got some butter. I like to use this butter for cooking and baking. This butter I like to use to put on my toast, English muffins, things like that. And then I've also got these Kind bars. Now, I think these are the ones that I was looking for when I had COVID. Rob actually went and got these Kind bars that I don't remember. He doesn't exactly remember what they were, but they were so good. And I remember them being a little bit chewy and a little bit crunchy, so I think this is what they are. But even so, it looks really good. I went ahead and, you know, you can read all the things. It's pretty healthy, so we're going with it. It looks pretty good. So, and coconut with toast, or oats and honey with toasted coconut. I mean, how can you lose with that? So I've got some flour, some grapes, we've got eggs. I needed some Ziploc bags, and when people ask what kind of ranch do I use, I use ranch. All right, I'm gonna get everything put away, and then we've got a couple of hours of computer work to do. So then we're gonna head into the office for the next little bit. These are the G2s, Pilot G2s. Love these. This one is out, and someone told me that there were refills, and there are, and these cost like the fraction of the price. So I'm hoping these were, I mean, I imagine that they will. So here is one of my empty ones. You just take it out. I'm sounding like I know what I'm doing, but I mean, it's not that hard. Just put it in, put the top back on. Oh, I'm so excited. And now, voila, new pen. And again, fraction of the price, just get the refills. But these are my absolute favorite pens ever. I was gone for a few days last week, so I'm catching up on mail and getting our bills paid, just some general paperwork stuff. And I like to clear my desk before I begin an editing session just because I feel more focused and I could be sitting here for several hours. I have been asked before, like when I go on trips with my sister. Right now I'm editing our trip to Magnolia. Here's the thing. My family are not YouTubers, right? They don't have to be in my videos. Of course, if they want to be, they can be. But the majority of my family doesn't care to be in videos, so I don't film them. But as I'm editing this video, I'm like, here, as an example, my sister does not make it easy at all. She's like, I don't want to be in your videos. And then when I try and record, this is what she does to me. I mean, I'm here just like trying to do my thing, and we are at the Seriously? We are at the Findery, which is one of my... She literally makes it so hard because not only do I have to be careful how I film, but she makes me laugh all the time. And yeah, so voiceover for this video, mostly it is. And like I said, I could be sitting here editing for hours, but it's getting easier and I'm finding my rhythm. And everything I've learned about editing videos is from YouTube. I literally Googled how to edit videos in Premiere Pro. So listen, if you want to learn how to do something, be resourceful and figure it out. There are so many resources for you to plug into, so much free content out there. You just have to be willing to learn and willing to let that process take as long as it's going to take. I try to be as organized and as productive as possible throughout my day, but I have to admit, creating YouTube content, editing, daily life, it all really did throw me for a loop this last year. But I'm finally at a point where I can plan better, anticipate my time management, and feel a little more put together. I've always prided myself in my ability to manage my time, and it was a struggle for a while there. But these last couple of months have really started to feel good again. Oh my goodness, it is several hours later. This video will be ready to go. This is the video that you are going to see tomorrow. So this is the kind of like what's new at Magnolia at the silos in Waco. So anyways, I wrote myself a couple of notes because tomorrow we need to make a thumbnail. I need to just find some B-roll for my intro clips. I think it's so much more interesting, I guess, instead of me just talking to you like this. Like, I like to have video or pictures or information pop up. That's just my personal style of video watching. So we got a couple of things that we will finish up tomorrow. And then you'll see this video, you'll actually see this video tomorrow. So that was the trip to Magnolia with my sister, and we went and hit up like all the food places and things like that. We had so much fun. Okay, it is dark now. Look, dark. It is evening time, so I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. I'm thinking that, so when I went to California, here, let's just head into the kitchen. Let me grab my phone. Here it is. So when I went to California, my dad actually made some what we call Kahlua pig, which is pork butt that you make with, he uses Hawaiian sea salt and liquid smoke, and you smoke it in tea leaves or banana leaves for a really long time. Anyways, it's the best, and I'm thinking that that's probably what we're gonna have for dinner. Although I did thaw out some hamburger or ground beef for spaghetti, but I'm thinking I want Kahlua pig and rice, and it's easy. that's what we're gonna do. I want it to be simple now because it's almost 9 o'clock. And yeah, well, what time is it? Oh, it's only 8:15. That's beautiful. This is Kahlua pig. I've got brown rice in here, but oh, it is so yummy. There's Rob's. Listen, it doesn't look all that like appetizing.
It is.
I promise you, it's really good. And here is my favorite brown rice. We get it at Costco. And yeah, I just love it. But yes, it is so good. And spoiled boy. Let me know, is it good? All right, Rob almost ruined it because thank goodness, first of all, thank goodness we were pouring, we wanted a little bit of extra liquid smoke. So Rob went to pour it in.
I saw her squeezing it, but I pulled the lid off and I went to squeeze it and it went psh.
All in there. Luckily though, we went ahead and we were pouring it in here and not directly into the big bowl, but anyhow. Note to self, this is a flip top like this, not to be unscrewed and then poured. All right. We're gonna eat dinner and then I think we're watching The Voice. I made a big, huge batch of chili a couple of days ago for Sunday football. So I am freezing the rest of it. We like to have these like kind of like a chili dip with some, we just heat this, so we'll heat up chili, put a little bit of shredded Colby Jack cheese on it, get that all melted up, and eat it with tortilla chips and sour cream and whatever else we want with it. But oh, it's so good. So anyways, now I don't have to make this over the next few weeks because they are already made. So we're gonna get these in the freezer and then I'm gonna head upstairs and we are going to watch The Voice. So I am going to actually grab my laptop and then while I'm sitting down and we're watching The Voice, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all my clips from this camera and I'm gonna start editing this video that you are watching right now. So, all right, I will see you tomorrow when we go to Waco and we hit up all of those Magnolia locations that we didn't hit in the previous Magnolia video. So I hope you guys enjoy that one. And then I will see you back here on, what would that be? Thursday for a Thursday vlog. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, and as a reminder, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. And I'll see you for the whole rest of this week. Bye.